Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Lemfo LF29. We previously unboxed the LF28, now it's time for the LF29. We will see what's the difference between these two devices, what we have here in the LF29 that we don't have in other Lemfo devices, and we will talk about the option that we have in the software of the smartwatch. In the new Lemfo LF29 we have 1.28-inch HD screen and we have different languages so we can change. In the boxes you can see some of the options like 10 sport mode, 190 mAh polymer lithium battery. We have health monitoring, heart rate, sleep, blood pressure and blood oxygen. We have SMS reminder, call reminder and other function like Bluetooth music control, camera, stopwatch, alarm clock, etc. The box itself is very simple. As you can see here in the video, we have one pair of rubber bands and we have the watch itself, a user manual and the charger obviously. As you can see, the charger is very simple, 2 points to charge the LF29, and you can see now this is how it will look like when you assemble all the pieces. Let's power it on. As in the LF29 we have only one button like in the LF28. You can see now that it's powered on, we have quite a good color in the screen. As you can see, now we are trying to use it. We have the taskbar here, all the things that we can see. We have the brightness, do not disturb, time and date, we have settings, find phone information, etc. This is the taskbar. Down we have the notifications. Press and hold to change the watch faces. We have a couple of them right here that are already downloaded from the factory. Also we can download more in the app, we'll see that later. In the right we have data throughout the day, heart rate measurements, sleep, weather, and that's all that we have in the right side. In the left side we have the whole menu, data, motion, messages in the first page. In the second page we will find heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, sleep, music control, weather, alarm clock, stopwatch, timer, find phone, setup. In the setup we have the QR code for the app, system to restart and reset. We have the display here for the brightness and other stuff. So this is all that we will find in the Lemfo LF29 and all the options that we will see. So let's begin immediately with some testing. Heart rate is the first option. Let's try this out and see what result it will give us. You can see immediately we have some result, which is a good thing. I noticed that in the LF29 we don't have lowest and highest point of the heart rate, but again that is just a benefit to have. We have the main result here in the screen. We probably will see that in the app when we go ahead and connect it. We will see the average, lowest and highest in the statistic, but we will have to wait and see if we will have that option in the app. So that was the heart rate. Let's go down to the blood pressure. We have to wait here a couple of seconds and see the result. So this is the result of the blood pressure. It took a little bit longer than I expected. Now we are testing the blood oxygen. We will see if this will take longer than that or will be faster. So here we have the result of the blood oxygen, which is a lot faster than other options. We don't have anything else to test here other than these. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.